So hello my dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about the exercise number 2.1. Okay, in last class we already saw the exercise number 2.1 from question number 1 to 7. Okay, so this is question number 8. See here, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Okay, now we have to find out and justify. See here, first statement. Okay, read first statement. 0 is smallest natural number. Okay, 0 is smallest natural number. First, you should have to know what are the natural numbers. The natural numbers are countable numbers. Okay, so what are the countable numbers? The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are the natural numbers. Okay. And 0 is not a natural number. Is it right? 0 is a whole number. So, here 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is not a natural number actually here. Okay? So, that's why this statement is true or false. Yes, this statement is false because 0 is not a natural number. Okay? So, this statement is false. Next, see here B. 400 is the predecessor of 399. What is predecessor? Predecessor means what before and successor means what after. Okay. How you have to find the predecessor of 399? 399 minus 1 is equals to 398. Okay. So 398 is the predecessor of 399. But in that statement, the given 400 is the predecessor of 399. So this statement is false. Is it right? Next, see here. Next question. 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. Then what are the whole numbers here? From starting 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. These all are the whole numbers. Okay. Including natural numbers and 0. Including all natural numbers and 0 are known as whole number. And in that number, which is the smallest number? 0. Is it right? So, 0 is the smallest whole number. This statement is now true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Is it right? Next here, question number D. 600 is the successor of 599. I already told you, okay? Successor means what after and predecessor means what before. So, how you have to find the successor of 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. So, 600 is the successor of 599. Is it right? So, 600 is the successor of 599. So, this statement is true. Is it right? Now see here next. All natural numbers are whole numbers. See here. These are the natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, so on. These are the natural numbers. And what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So here, all natural numbers are whole number. So 1 is a natural number. It is also a whole number. 2, it is also a whole number. 3, it is also a whole number. Is it right? So therefore here, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, this statement is now true. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? Because whole number including 0. And 0 is not a natural number. Is it right? That's why all whole numbers are not a natural numbers. But all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. Next here, the next statement. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Okay. This form I already explained. Okay. All whole numbers are not a natural number. Is it right? Because the whole number contain 0 and 0 is not a natural number. Is it right? And another one word, see here the natural numbers are the subset of whole numbers. but in the case of whole number are not a subset of natural number. Okay, this reason you can give. Next here, the next statement, the predecessor of a two-digit number, the predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number. Now see here, this is a two-digit number. 10 is a two-digit number. Okay. Now find the predecessor of 10. The predecessor of 10, how we have to find? Minus 1 is equal to 9. Then 9 is the predecessor of 10. 9 is a single digit number and 10 is a two digit number. Is it right? Then the two digit number predecessor is a one digit number. Is it right? But our statement says the predecessor of a two digit number is never. Which means this statement is true or false? False. The predecessor of a two digit number, it can be a single digit number also. Okay, that's why this statement is false. Next here, 1 is the smallest whole number. I already told you what are the whole numbers. Whole number denoted by W. Then what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. These are the all whole numbers. And which number is smaller in between them? 0 is the smaller, but our statement says 1 is the smallest whole number. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Is it right? Next, see here, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Okay, what are the natural numbers? The natural number is denoted by n, and 1, 2, 3, so on. These are the natural numbers. Okay, and what is the predecessor? Predecessor means what before. Okay, how we have to find predecessor? 1. Okay, see here. The natural number 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 is not a natural number. Is it right? 0 is not a natural number. So that's why the natural number 1 has no any predecessor. Is it right? So that's why this statement is true. Next, see here, the next statement. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. See here, the predecessor of 1. The predecessor of 1 is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0, it is a whole number. Is it right? So the 1 has a 0 is the predecessor of 1. Is it right? 0 is the predecessor of whole number 1. But the statement says the whole number 1 has no predecessor. Means this statement is false. Is it right? Next, see your next statement. The whole number 13. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Lies between, which means if the 13 is lies between 11 and 12, then 13 is greater than 11 and smaller than 12. Is it right? If, okay, just consider 13 is a lies between 11 and 12. The 13 should be greater than 11 and smaller than 12. At that time only 13 is a lies between 11 and 12. But here 13 is greater than 12 only. Okay, 13 is greater than 11 and 12 also. So that's why here this statement is false. Okay, this statement is false. See here, 11 and 13 and 12. So that in that case 13 is greater than 11 and 13 is smaller than 12. At that time only 13 lies between 11 and 12. But in case 13 is greater than both 11 and 12. So that's why the whole number 13 is not lies between 11 and 12. Is right? Next, see here, next statement, the whole number 0 has no predecessor. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Correct? True. Why true? See here, 0 Then we have to find the predecessor of 0. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is it? Okay, minus 1 is the whole number or not? No. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 it is a integer. Is it right? So that's why the whole number 0 has no any predecessor. Okay, this statement is true. Next here, the last statement, the successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. The successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. Okay, take one example, 99. Find the successor of 99. How we have to find the successor of 99? 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Now see here, the successor of two-digit number, is 100 and 100 is a three-digit number. So our statement is false. Is right? Our statement is false. Right? So please note down this answer and read once again these all statements and recognize why these are false and why these are true statements. Okay, so please note down this, and now we shall start here in the next class. Now we completed this exercise number 2.1. okay, and the next class now move towards the next concept. Okay, whole numbers. Okay, thank you.